your one online magazine. Make money online as a writer blogger. Table of content. Chapter 1, Niches to write in. 4, How to use to keyword tool. 4, Creating knockout titles. 7, Multiple article title and link. 8. Chapter 2, Tools. 10. Dragon Natural Speaking. 10. Visually Thresher. 11. Mind Manager Pro. 12. Inspiration. 12. Rock and Write. 13. Mozilla Firefox. 14. Open Offers. 14. Chapter 3, List is 15. A simple word list. 15. Figuring out word list form. Scratch. 16. More complex word list. 18. Research with word lists on. 19. Chapter 4, The Big G. 22. The overall plan for research time. 22. Specific to spend to researching Google's. 24. Chapter 5, Advice for writing. 30. How to pull your reader in by the seat of their pants. 30. How to leave the satisfied in the end. 34. Chapter 6, Connecting with your visitors. 37. Act neutral even if you're coding. 37. Promote your site. 39. Make it pretty. 40. Chapter 1, Niches to write. As mentioned earlier, the Google keyword tools is one way help you identify topic through searching interesting keyword. In this chapter, we'll walk you through how to use the keyword tools to get the best result. It is not just a matter of sitting there thinking of word, but actually using the tools to think them up for you. However, that not only way to really ramp your potential traffic appeal, the way to make your topic appealing of the right audience is to have a knockout title. That is right. First step of identification. Topping started with the title and search engine weightlist heavily their searching engine algorithm. So while can use the tools to help your local words to use your title to give your article some search engine optimization. SEO is the really way to make them profitable is to make the grab and the reader as well as the search engine. Finally, even having a good idea of what topic you want to address, you still might have to think of multiple articles for the same topic. That's where tools rock and the right mixer can help you give gender titles of various discerning perhaps and power words that you have throw up. This way too it takes little less time of brainstorm potential traffic and they are targeting all of the element good internet marketing too. How to use the keyword tools. We have talked a little about the keyword tools already, but now we will go into the details of how to use these tools or starting generating titles that make your topic profitable, optimized for maximum exposure. Set up for proper language. One of the first things you should do is set up tools for whether country and language your major audience to be. You can find out of your biggest audiences religions by checking administrative panel of your website for your makeup country visiting your site. This is important even of all English language site because even English is spoken differently around the world. People in the UK will visit site and see different spelling and interesting of the realizing that you are American company. They might think you are just not a very good speller and thus unprofessional. So try to suit the tools and language you want to highlighting most. At the very top of the tools, you will see sentence that say result tailored to English United States. There is a link next to that simple says edit. Choose the link and change the main language and the country if necessary. Search descriptive word of faces. The tools can research in the different way based on a keyword or faces based on a URL or based on some content. For this section will concentration of the choosing the search descriptive word phrase by making sure that ratio button is selected. Next want to enter word or phrase that you have brainstormed to start your process of finding the idea or words that might work for you. You will need to type the letter in the capture facility that keeps spanner of the site, but it doesn't do anything to your search result. After you get the result back, you can search through the list and look at the competitor for the keyword of phrase, the approximately search volume of the month, and the average search volume in general. What you want to find a word what is a lower will competed with your high search volume. Of course, that's nearly impossible find the days to advertise are very safe, but you can't latest get idea of each ones you are worth trying to use. If you see something with a high advertising competition value and high search volume, the odds of being the top of search result are particularly non-existing because major players are hogging the traffic on those. There are other search metrics that you can add your list after it is generated. You have to use the drop down box that say choose column to display to add other columns. One other column that you generate great result it is list estimated average. CPC which gives you an idea of the payout associated with the keyword of faces in the Google Words system. Using low computation words with high CPS value is one way to generate more Google AdWords dollar on your site. As SEO article will queue the Google server to server of ads related to what on your page. If it see high paying words, they ads surveyed that people can have the opportunity to click or often also high paying ads. If you find some additional keyword in the result that lead you to new keyword, don't be offered to pull them out of the list and run them along the keyword tools tool in the CV come up. You will find the help brainstorm different way to find words for your topic title that are going to bring traffic and money to your site. Search web page URL. Search web page URL. Another way to use the keyword tool analyze the keyword being used on other web page. This is a great way to generate keyword of competitor site without too much effort. If you know site similar to one that already doing the great job attracting traffic, then you should use the tools to find the keyword they are using. The way do that switch the audio radio bottom of the descriptive word on the faces to website content, it will then return result list that will be sorted in group by whether the major keyword phrase user happens to be. This is a very easy way to get list of usable keyword, but do realize that keyword camping change frequently as a new trend. A different identify generate keyword for already written article. Maybe you have written article already, but they are not generating much attention. You can still use the tools and help you optimizing the article and change the title. All you do, choose the website content radio bottom and use the link under the box for the URL to add your text into a box instant. Then that tool will throw the topic and suggest a keyword to use it. All of you have to do is change some words here, there and add different title to get this started article to become start your writing influence. Just remember that you can't put duplicate content on your website or Google will penalize you. It doesn't understand your worth the same article only that they appear later because more copies show up. So be sure to make the new article sufficiently different so that you aren't penalized by Google, or remove that old copy and replace them with new ones. Creating knockout titles. Now that you understand the importance of researching keyword and how to do it, well, being to get started creating knockout titles. The first rule of the thumb is that first 3-5 words in the title carry and the most weight in the search engine. They will determine the source of your article for the most part. So it is important that that content of the keyword and also power words in interest of people who are suffering the web. After all, if you are just worthy searching engine, it is honest on a word wanted to read your article. You need something in there to make title interesting to readers too. As the most marketing, the way to sell something is to innovate your emotional response first, followed by a justification for buying into particular product. The same is true when you are writing to attraction. You want to create title have a emotional draw to them, but also don't for the logical reason why someone should take the time to read your writing. And of course, you have to include the keyword too. It sounds like lot of work, but it is not. All you already need to good thresher. You will take the same old title you think of the kick them of the notch finding power words that have the emotional effect on your reader. For instance, check out any marketing book and you will see some word have you higher emotional value than others sell your product better. This word are things like offer, improve, gold, platinum, each extra bell. You can use a thesaurus to kickstart a brainstorm process to get word in your title that have more direct emotional appeal. And try to find action words that really engage the reader sense and make your title come alive. If you have the money, you should invest in a good program called Visual Thesaurus. It is not give you alternative word for your title, but also let you drill down those alternatives to find even words might work for you. Eventually, you will start to develop a list of power words that you can use over and over again with great result. Chapter 2, Tools. You are probably starting to notice using different tools can really impact your productivity. Speed writing isn't just about how fast you can type. It's also about the many technique arts that are available now due to power modern electronic. Yes, many of them cost money to get, but they also end up being getting great investment that can pay you back feeling of the additional time and some will even maintain your sanity and health to as you start to mass product article for the internet. So without delay, it is get started discussing the great product out there that can boost your productivity into the stratosphere. Dragon Natural Speaking. Once you start to type article after article, maybe in ebook, the between you might start feeling the beginning symptoms of the carpal syndrome, tunnel syndrome. It's a very serious discovery that affect tunnel you in hand it can cause in the great deal pain. It can keep you off keyword of longer period time too. So getting a program saves your wrist and increase your writing speed is really great investment for your content develop. This program Dragon Natural Speaking 10 is a good sense of internet marketing who may have good idea what they want to say but have very poor typing skill. It allows them to speak and have the program type the spoken words into words process for you. It may take a while to get used, but newer version about 99 accuracy rate. You will still need to proofread your work before to send, but generally that makes it even easier to do. If you type something, you will notice that reading it over for grammatical error is harder for the right, and that why people generally hand off the work to other to proofread. But if you speak it words, you have easy will see words as new and wanted to be as likely to filter out the mistake when you proofread. If you can't imagine how much the program can speed up your written, think about this news.com. The, the makes of Dragon Natural Speaking, the estimate that people typically type less than 40 words per minute but can speak up to 120 words per minute. That's 3 times faster. So if you get into the hang of using this program, you will have the potential to be 3 times faster than normal. Now it isn't benefit the get Dragon Natural Speaking 10. You can also search the web much quicker by using web command to do your suffering. In fact, you can even create word command allows the insert a block of a text or image into your document. This is particularly fasting of instant signature. The program isn't just used with Microsoft Word. You can also use it with Outlook, Excel, Corel and WordPerfect. There is even option to use handheld device when you are not near the PC or later with Dragon Natural Speaking to insert into your document. It is also compatible with Nuance approved Bluetooth headset. This program price is $119 plus shipping and handling fee. But it is software program that is guaranteed to save your words and the speed your writing with a dramatic effect. Please see the source of section, find link the product which is available. Visual Thresholds, another great program that isn't near to expensive. The visual thresholds available at generate a blossom of related word branch from a single word that you put into it. As you see them visually, you can also drill down by clicking on any word in that layout. This is great for brainstorming word list. It is based on a monthly or yearly subscription of $2.95 per month or $19.95 per year. A little online tool can help you generate your power words much more quickly. This will help you build customized word list on topic that you can imagine or think of. What you even need is that this tool is based on a community concept. If you want to look up other people word list, you can save you enormous amount of time creating power word list. It comes with over 145,000 English words within 115,000 associated meanings. You can even use the tools with several different languages: Spanish, German, Italian, Dutch, and French. Mind Manager Pro. We talked briefly about the tools in chapter 2. It is used in our system to create a brainstorming session, increase the speed at which you step 2, 3 structure and research this program. Related for $349, but it's well worth it. You can not only map your idea, but you can also write your article within the mind mapping program. You can go across more than one page and see everything at once. It is a great way to create an outline that include all your relevant research noted to each other branch, allow you to insert notes. You can include link to website URL in insert images, spreadsheet, and another type of research information that can be helpful when writing the article after you are doing the can export is to finalize. You can copy there. Inspiration. This is another mind mapping program, but it cost much less, $69. You can do about the same thing you would do Mind Manager expert for generating a table of content. This program or get up represent your brainstorming idea, visual and inspiration came to the sample library. Inspiration come to with 65 different template which can help you jumpstart your project. Another 60 template are available from other sites. So if you are not sure how to get started doing a mind map, you can open one of the template, get it, guide you through a simple one. It will give you idea of how to organize your idea and thinking. A good mind map will help you to visualize the interrelationship of various aspects of your research and idea. It will help you to organize your thoughts, and even it is great article that have a sound structure. Then you can export it to Microsoft Word and finalize that article there. Adjective, a power of descriptive word. Person 1, the person that the article is great word. Person 2, another person that the article can be graded toward. The action, describe what person 1 might do in verb format. The action 2, another verb, this one with ling ending. Thing, this is noun that related to person 1. Thing 2, another noun. Place 1, place that might be involved in the topic. Place 2, another place that might be involved in the topic. Industry, the type of business that's referred to. Problem, a brief problem statement, typically 3 to 4 words. After you added what you want to rock and write will generate some example title, not all of them. We will make sense, but it is great way to develop title easy and quickly. Mozilla Firefox. This browser has been some advantage for over Internet Explorer. It is free to download and you can use the tabbed page feature to keep multiple windows open without opening another instance of the browser. This keeps more memory free and allow you to zoom and along, not lose your place as you're opening article that you might be interested in the reading. You can get a free copy of Firefox here. OpenOffice. This product is very much like Microsoft expected is a source of those available for free to download. It takes too much less space in memory, but it doesn't have all the niche features of Microsoft Office. However, if you just need a good word process that you can convert to Word when done, this is the ticket for you. Update are free, unlike update for Office that save you quite the bit of money in the long run. You can get a free copy of OpenOffice here. Chapter 3, Lists. Word lists are inavailable tools and the brainstorming related idea, and also your facilitating searching through Google later on. Another type of word list frequency word list, which is a word list with the words that appear most article listed by order of frequency in the certain topic. The way to use word list to keep some great word, either keyword or good research terms that can be put aside in list format to help keep the important details of a topic in the forefront of your memory. Another way to use the word in your list to help your research and topic more and thus and even more to your word list to modify easy to suit or more thought representative of the topic. If you get project that you have no idea how to start, a word list can be great way to get your going the reason of this that you can simply find article already writing on the topic online and then use some online tools to check the word frequency within it. Words are the more frequent word keyword of power words being used by the other marketer of generate traffic or income. So, in a way you can get another other internet marketing to build your word list for you. If you already know something about the topic, then you can sit down for a brainstorming session. Here you would want to start thinking about the different word that can use with your topic. After that, we want to start combining word in different arrangement to see how to their star with creativity. After some research on the site, you may come with great word list to actively Google and find relevant research being done already by other online market and you to generate topic. Simply word list. This may sound very complicated, but it is not. Word list intuitively simple. So let's start with a simple example. Let's say you have been given an assignment to write about gardening. The first way to start generating topic is to pre-associate and brainstorming different words associated with gardening. So a simple word list would you'd like to this: gardening, plants, perennials, garden equipment, drought resistant plant, brain barrel, seeds, burpe, heirloom plant, bulbis, solar soil preparation, composition. Anyway, you get the idea. From this simple brainstorming session, you may end up getting more great idea for a topic for the outline to an ebook from the few minutes using word list creatively. But we are not done. We are going to use a more complex word list of eventually target research and article already right on the internet in a very precise way. Before we create the complex word list, let's think about the case where you are faced with a blank sheet of paper and topic that has you mystified figuring out word listed from sketch. Don't panic. Even if you got a subject to figure it thing, you will show your ridiculous easy way to get past time initially terror and size with an unfamiliar topic. All you have to do is able to cut paste basically to have the skill to get generate word that you want topic. That's because you have to going to other people build the list for you. All you're going to do plug in original topic from and into Google search engine and find a relevant article. After you have got a list URL with relevant topic, you can start to use them to generate a frequency word list. A frequency word list, like simple word list, expect that it tells you how many time and words used in a piece of text or article. This is a really valuable information if you are trying to generate word list for research purpose or find to what keyword internet marketing and targeting on their website. The higher the frequency of a word, the more important it is to search engine and to the market. So you can be in that these words the topic pop up them actually. Google keyword 2 at time. If you are in fire, you can facilitate This next process, by using the tab feature, you would open up a URL in one tab for relevant article, and then in the other tab you will open the build your word list program at. You can even keyword search in tools that available online. It build a frequency word list, and instead of the tools there are many different type of frequency and the research online. They work about the same. Then you would simply cut and paste the article text into the build your word list to tools and see which words use most. This can help you start to build word list without even knowing one thing about the subject. You just use other people are using to get starting point in your search. You will find that a lot of way in process even easier brainstorming some of tools beside build your one list tools will even give you frequency of phrases. That way it can help your brainstorm combination of word that you powerful either because Google likes them because market has decided they attract attention, and just because did a little brainstorming to start finding article doesn't mean we can't use this step to refine your word list even future a more complex word list. So we might come up with more complex word list through in frequency word list generator start is and can start combine word on your one in brainstorming season session. Both are, let's say that we are going to take original simple word list a follows: gardening, plants, perennial, garden equipment, resistant plant, rain, rain barrel seeds, Borpy, heirloom plant, valves, soil preparation, composting, and we're going to start creating a complex list of search propose and to effectively target highly relevant article on Google. The term gardening is great but too broad. It will come up the all kind of things, so we can't really use it effectively in Google and really get anything too specific. So maybe we combine it with other terms in our list. So maybe instead we choose to combine them to grading with other word on a list put in Google search bar. Maybe start to brainstorming a more precise list and the might look like this: gardening, drought resistant plant, gardening heirloom plant, Burpee seeds, Burpee and gardening equipment, bulbs and soil preparation. As you can see now the list has become much more specific and highly targeted. In additional we are using some Google researching technique to refine the search result we obtain from your word list. In the case of putting word in quota, you are telling Google that term must appear exactly as we have to in the quota. It begs saying the written only the article with the expert face. However, gardening is not a quota code, so it is a very generally such term and that say were interesting in the gardening article, but also our route is a resistant plant. That's mean we wanted to get a scientific article describing the way of drought resistant plant function, but specifically how to garden with a drought resistant plant. Maybe we are also interested in particular opening that creative gardening equipment or sell seed. Then you can just add their proper name in the search box. Finally, when when you see search function and that tell Google that you want to both from and either side of the and function to appear on the same page. Obviously, it it is not to exact science, but you will get a hang of the different operator available to use if searching in Google. The more you practice, we will even discussing the future in the next chapter. For now, this is a good way to start your word list while keeping in the mind that is the ultimate aim to get a list is help you create topic or search them more efficiently research with word list. After you have great word list put together, always keep to hand as you are doing your research. You can you can use to join your memory to you can even use them to do same mind mapping and within the threshold generate overpower. The word list very versatile. Keep the episode firework more than entry project at the very least will help you build the outline for the project of the information and all attention grabbing both from a readership search engine and standpoint. If you get stuck trying to find article through this engine up located to word for your word list this way. There are some particular areas that you are great for researching topic and associated word. Here are a few sites that you can visit to research topic and use the article to cut and paste into the frequency word list generate. HiBeam. You have to pay to use this site, but your quality of article is very good. It is a research site with over 60 million article online. The source of article tend to magazine, newspaper, and trade journalism. Wikipedia, it is located at. Wikipedia, this is a site that created content like an encyclopedia. However, the content in contribute by many people all over the internet. For that reason, it can sometime lack credibility and need to substance with the other more reputed site. However, more generating word list it can be a great source of inspiration and it is free to use. In addition, they have link section in the each of their article that can eventually get to your more reputable article that you can use the within your search. It is located at QueryCard. This is a larger database of frequently asked questions gathered from all over the web. You do have to search with specific key phrase, so it is not a very site of some of other site is it is located. As you are looking for article to use a frequency generate list, be aware that keyword optimized article may be or may not good choice. If if they are older article, this will not be relevant of our cause because the term of popular change for month to month. However, a very recent article with get started keyword can be a gold mine for internet market and save time in going your with on research. So although it is not great at generating really broad and internet word list, it can be a way of internet market to locate it some term and make sense to include in their article to attract attention for research engine. Don't focus solely on keyword article though, as the best way to generate a word list for research is to give it much wide scope. Chapter 4, Big G. Now become two part of writing which can be endless unless you have a strategy. While part of the charm of the internet is having vast library of information available at the fingertip, the downside is that you can go into information overload. How how do you know where to start? How do you know which article or website is relevant? How do you organize all the information so that when you start to write you can easily look things up? How do you get exactly what you want to from Google without wasting time search result that just waste your time? Is it not as simple just typing a few words into the Google search box to be a really good research and thus with awesome article? You have to know quickly find information how to store it carefully for later use and importantly knowing when to stop researching and start writing. Here in this chapter we'll review some strategy for researching on Google and also the overall for your research time. The overall plan for research time. Before you get into the nitty-gritty details of finding and this article Google that are more relevant, it is discuss what you're going to do with them when you find them. Some people just decide to capture as many URL as they can for a particular topic, but they isn't the best strategy. For one, without any kind of idea as to what each URL including, you can't organize your thought well enough. You will open on URL after trying to find the one remember that had a specific topic, or you want to even remember that information is each URL and you will find your topic outline and research to be watered down and or of poor quality. The moral here is that you can't rely on your memory, just a grocery system of URL link to be able to generate great topic and decent outline. You need to have better view of research that and in how to eventually organize it. It is in way to reduce the amount of time spending searching and reading article after article trying to locate that one you remember. While a list of link is a good memory aid, it is not real system for organization research. You want to something that you can open and by briefly reviewing your organizing and researching you have the fact and information you need almost instantly. That's mean that you aren't just going to need the URL, you will need to do more than that. Although the URL is good started, file it all in one place. The best way to organize your research is to put it on all one file, Later, if you are every get another assignment of the same type, you can always open that one file and use some of your old work or add a new item to it too. And it always in one place, filled in a one document, available and easy to find based on the name of topic. For this exercise, as a Word document is one that work for very well. You need something that you can cut and paste the entire internet article into without reaching and space limit or problem with formatting. So don't use Notepad. Try to use a fully featured word processing program like Microsoft Word. If you don't want to go through the trouble of using a paid program, you can use OpenOffice to create your file tool too. This first thing you want to be before you start research session is to open your word processing document and add descriptive phrase of exactly what you looking to research. This will help you later when you are pulling up file to see they include information. You can use the other article. It also precisely funnel you energy the right direction and get you ready to look for a specific area of research. So pay attention to how face your descriptive little or face. It set the mood of your research session. Start the session. Now you will begin by using the word list to generate in the previous chapter to help your locate a relevant article in Google. We will go into more details about this at the end of this chapter, but for now, in the overall view, we want to be able to decide whether the URL you open in the research result is going to aid you in writing an article or not later on. For that, you need to keep in mind whether it matches your need as stated in the descriptive phase at the topic of your document. If the information is too general, not for your particular audience, or too details for your descriptive phase, then can be reason not to include it in your story research. In that case, you will need to either drill down more into Google or put different words or phrases in the Google search engine. The exact strategy from this will be details at the end of this chapter. However, if the information does match your needs, then you will start want to store a few bits of information for later use. Include matches in your search document. You finally found something relevant. Now you have included it is research document by cutting and pasting in the entire article into the document. That's why you need something more than Notepad. You will want to include URL at the top. You so that you every need located document again online. You can. And for the last step, to organize the research article to make it most effective, you will want to highlight all the part of the article that you found most helpful in research. The reason for that is later. When you are writing, you want to have to read the entire article. You can just skim the highlighted section and find what you want more quickly. Specifics to speed up searching Google. Google has various features that make it ideal researching on the main screen. You can there of this feature advanced search, preference and language tools. The most important of this is advanced search feature, but we'll discussing all there. Advanced research. The advanced search allow you to refine that criteria that a research engine you to return set of result. Instead of just putting in key phrase of keyword from your word list, you have to option to see a visual guide that serves the same function as some of the operator will discuss later. For instance, you can exclude certain word in your research. You can have another set word be crudely in your search result. You can if to tell Google which format file to include in your search result. You can also Google to search a particular domain or website on the internet and ignore all others. This can be great if you want to only look for video on YouTube or even just pull a particle from domain with a extension. One of the nature thing you can do with AdSense search future in can tell Google and more result per page. So if the standard 10 result slow down your search research, you can pull it up to even 50. It will take longer to load, put will spend less time hitting the next page option 2. It will give you quickly view on whether keyword to face you are using the word continue with a move on quickly to another preference. There is also please preference so set the number of result per page, and there is also a way to have the result open in the different browser windows. If you use Internet Explorer, this will load a whole new copy and then open the window, slowing things down. If you use Firefox, it will open the new page in different tab, making your search that much more convenient. If it doesn't apply, you don't have multiple copy of the browser loaded and you can easily view on the result and the article from different tabs page. In this area you can tell Google that you are only interested in the article right in the English or any other language in the search language area. This is also the place where you will find out how to block result with explicitly sexual content. Since many those sites also contain virus and tracking cookies that can bug your research by infecting your computer with hardened programming that hogs your memory and slow your machine cruel. So you can have it use static filtering if you know that is not topic you are researching. Language tool. This or isn't important or as this other two area, but you should know something about it. It does offer you language translator in case you get back an article in a different language that you want to read. It is typically easier to avoid non-native speaking article to keep your search moving quickly thought unless there is some reason why your foreign article is appropriate your topic. Understanding operator. Just like math has operator for plus, minus, and so no to facilitate operating when you combine Number Google has word and sign operator to facilitate combine keyword or phrases in their search box. We discussed end operator of period, but there are great many more than can help you find what you're looking for. Any laser impression helping to speed up the entire writing process. Let's go over a cyclic operator for your get, know, and work it. This plus sign and Google then plus sign tell your search engine that you word is necessary for the search. This is important because Google ignores certain word to speed up search result word like at the end at for and more. So if you are searching for your book title of for instance and what you see articles about the search for true and then you will either have to put a plus sign next to those stop one for you will have to put the entire page in quotes of the segment that you want to the exact match of the entire phrase. So you could type into the search box the search for true or the search for truth and get what you want. Or however, if you just type in search for true, your result will ignore the word in the end of the majority of result. Thus minus sign. This is one work the opposite way to plus sign instead of force clip including the word next to the sign. The minus sign force clips exclude the article with forms slowing it is great way to narrow down in the topic search result so that it is become very high definition work for thing where market also may be hogging the first few pages extraneous results that are meaningless to your queries. For instance, say you're looking for cell phone but don't want to include Nokia, your query would look like this. Cell phone Nokia. This sign will include all the synonyms of the word it is placed next to. For instance, if you wanted to find an article with different nonsense word, first you word add and till the sign next to will word add article that might reference quick. Rush at speed and so on. In that case, your queries for first game would look like this. First game. All in text, Google will try to return result for a set of keyword, but if it finds some and not other, it will still return the page if that best it can do. In order to tell you wanted to other article with all those keyword in it, then you use a align-text operator. So, for example, say you want to include article with cell phone that are cheap and only for Nokia. Then your query word to align-text cell phone cheap Nokia. It's also good for keeping out search results that are not text-based article. So now you are starting to get a view of how combine different operator to really get the extra research you need. In the above example, you used the different way of redefine the research query. You used align-text and the quotes. If you hadn't pulled cell phone within quote, you might have gotten something to do with cell battery or cell tower. If you didn't add the next to the word chip, you wouldn't necessarily pick up all the different synonyms of chips, and yet you asked your queries to return only those articles with these keywords. So if the sign variant there an instant article talking about expensive cell phone for Nokia, the query would have ignored it with with the sign. It will keep it up as being Alintex to Alin title. This is similar to Alintex, except the focus is on the title of the page, not the text of the page. So if you want to only web page with some of your face or keyword within the title or to be turned, you would use the operator. For instance, if you are looking for article and extract words and want to that part of the title you curious would like align title extract words or align title extract words, the first would mean the word in the title would have to show up together, and that next to means they can be anywhere in the title. Alignor. This is also similar to last two expect that focus in the find every website URL with the specific search term you specify. It would work exactly as the above example, expect using Alignor instead of the alienately title. There are many more operators that one can learn and use when doing Google researching. These are just a few of them, and this book doesn't have sufficient space on include them all. However, instant in the same, the refine the research result so that you spend less time wading through page after page of Google research results that aren't relevant to your research. For that, we have finally word of advice to bed on the wait form cheap and that website call it give me back my Google. This type of service is necessary as the internet to grow and more market flow. The liberal essentially come out the spam. Fortunately, if you are too black man can service help element many marketing site that float the search engine with a result that your worthless writing article site like price runner, nest tag or other price comparison site. Chapter 5 Advice for Writing. We have gone over to get prepared to writing, having a plan, finding great topic emoji tools to enhance to your productivity and topic tips of researching. So now we are ready to start writing. This chapter is about learning how to increase your writing skills so that your article are not only writing quickly but they are top-notch quality. If you search the web, you will find many articles written by markets that have keyword and may even be some compressive, but the like machine put them together and not human being. While this may be great for search engine result, in the final analysis, it is people who will reading your article who will decide whether to come back to your site or not based on your content. And also, all good internet markets know it is very easy to sell to existing and loyal customer than it and generate a new customer. In the same way, if you know how to return your existing relationship with quality content. You want to consistently have to mine internet of few people visit your site, and you will begin to build a personal relationship with these people. That is the beginning start of building your content list so that you can start to market your product to them too. Even though even though making good topic now and though brainstorming to make multiple interesting titles, we still have to know how to put all information together so that the article grab reader and literally pull them into your content and by default your website. There really is no mystery in it, and in next few pages that mystery will be relieved in simple easy to follow path that help you web an article that are not only search engine friendly but people friendly too. How to pull your reader in by the seat of their pants. The key to great article in the first sentence that's often is as know the book. Hook. You want to first sentence to be big giant hook come into our audience and grab them by the seat of their pants of get them engaged with the topic. Sometimes the hook is few sentences long, but rarely over this sentence. If your reader is not hooked within the first three sentences, typically you have lost their internet. They may skim the rest of your article reading title and bullet, but they want to be as involved in the book, grab and send their imagination while through your fantastic world. Fantastic. Thus, the beginning of an article, the second most important piece of online article next to title, you want to something that is refreshing, live and interesting enough to hold your reader attention. It is should be able to soak in and just web them into the story in a very personal and engaging fashion. For that, we will offer fix different ways to highly engaging to most reader and that you can use to develop fascinating and provocative article from the first few sentences. Ask a question. Question is lead and reader into interaction. Asking a question big for an answer lubricate the reader mind to get involved and at least imagines possible answer might be. For instance, say you were writing about the financial meltdown. Wouldn't a good question be something that a reader can relate it to? So you might say, do you know how well state meltdown affect of the pocketbook? Obviously, you have targeted the audience that might most want to read your article, and you have also helped them to realize that you may need to more informant relationship to their personal financer. The more the question engage a response from audience, in the more like they will read the next sentence and more. Stunning statistic. This statistic isn't great for medical health article. It can also be good for human interact for scientific article. Any stunning statistic grab a reader and make them think a great way to start an article. For instance, say say you are writing article for the elder population, people getting to retire. You might start to article with relevant stunning statistic Like 1 in 4 people in the United States have failed to save enough to retire by the age of 65. If you happen to be reading this and you're wondering if you have enough money to enter, that statistic will grab hold of your collar and particular obligate you get read article memorable quotes. This is very research really pays off. If you follow the instruction to pull your research in the folder, you probably highlighting some memorable quotes that you know can use to hook your reader into the article. It's okay to do this as long as you give credit to original author. You will also want to keep track of where you find it. If the source is offline and you just added it to research and file manual. At any rate, just like all great books have hooks that become memorable quotes also make unaffordable hooks. So, as long as you give credit to author and source, you will be able to their imagination and creativity to speak in the beginning of your article. For instance, maybe you are writing some story about the stock market and want to bring people into the some you could open your article with. Plot side greatest wealth you to live content will title, but it doesn't mean any use like the idea seeing of the stock talk no side. So find way to web quotes to the hook and you will have excellently jumping for point gather attention and give your article a little timeless wisdom. If you are looking for place of find memorable quotes, check out a resource section at the end of this book. Start a little conversation. If you want to really get reader involved, you can start a small conversation for relevant of the articles. Say the article is about the advance is a breast cancer treatment. You might start a small dialogue with your patients finding the jump in the cancer and the emotional impact for the revelation. That will definitely pull you into the story and help to set stage for the rest of your article. Stage a drama. The strategy is to stage drama. It engage the reader into starting situation. It should be relevant to the topic of your article, but it can be anything you decide to imagine, invent for true life story. So, say you trying to write about GPS system, you can start with a little story. Someone driving into the strange town in the middle of the night, being low on gas, and writing to find Joseph where his daughter is giving birth. It doesn't have to be really terrible, just something that a startless reader who might see themselves within similar situation and can get the emotion involved to tell a good story. This is a similar to starting drama, expect that the last starting more descriptive. People love a good story, but you have to see the sense first. So you will start by creating a great environment from where to tell your story, and the story will end up being the topic of your article. As an example, say you are writing about home building, you might start by setting the scenes of potential home buyer as follows. The first one went to see same like dog urine and cigarettes. The second one liked to mingenate from the crop and were finally executing to sight a threshold of the first time only to be greeted by wall painting bright firm pink. We almost describe of the finding our new until ritual truck and a new general community and a riverside park built by put homes. How to leave them satisfied in the end. Just important the beginning of the article ending is your reader satisfied that your delivery with your promised when you start your article was it sufficiently engaging the interesting to make them feel it if it was worthwhile. In this section, we'll give you 5 different ways to warp up your article so that your reader leaves feeling satisfied. Wrap up loose end them. If you told story being drama doesn't forget to finish the story to the reader's satisfaction, don't leave them hanging, wondering, and the happening to main character in the little story of drama. If you do that, they will not store time next to your article sum up. In a way, you will have proven you're more thorough than a full-fledged author. So, always remember to warp those lost endings. Draw conclusion when you experimenting. Say you decide to ask a question and use that basic to describe an experiment that you imply solved question. Don't just describe that result but actually draw a conclusion in the every straightforward fashion. The reader may or may not agree with conclusion, but the other option is to leave on hanging. A reader draw in the one conclusion. If you are trying to sell an idea and you don't draw in the conclusion for them, you may end up finding they draw a totally different conclusion or don't have the initiative to do it themselves. In fact, when an internet marketer refuses to draw a conclusion that the buyer should buy their product, their sales perceptive will normally not draw the conclusion themselves. All internet marketplace one after a specially powerful sales ad, you must ask for the sale. If you don't draw the conclusion that they should buy the product they want to either plan the next step for your rider. Maybe the article was introduction of a vegetal complex subject. Where should the reader go next to find out more? Maybe structure of this article was informative or review. Do you know what the reader is expecting next? Maybe they want more how to place where they can go purchase the reboot product. Always anticipate the reader might be want to the end of your article feel it to them. It will make them internally grateful to you. Sporting trends. Just like a New York physics prediction of popular people really desire to be told by expert what's on the horizon of them for them. This is a particularly true of informative article that are giving a broad general sweep of the industry trend people in the spotlight or current event. So if you know of new trend that you're coming down peak the future the relay story, it can make perfect way to end story given reader satisfying desire with the mail. Closing the deal. If the article has one main point that you want to emphasize above all the others, you can do remove of all optional comparison of the option, then focus the ending on the main product. It is better to close deal in way that guide in the reader into what their final conclusion should be regarding the topic they've just read. Chapter 6, Connecting with your visitors. Part of your make people want to click on your link and good content, and another they we want content to look and feel in the visual way. There are things you can do click with your reader so that they will check your link the return. Some of that are learning how to use the keyword and phrases in natural sounding way. Another way is to always promote yourself and your website in the appropriate area in interesting way. And lastly, make sure that when you write, they pay attention to get the layout of your article. Often if the article is not visually appealing, it can be a huge turn off. No matter how interesting and evening in the content happening to be, act natural even if you're coding. Let's face it, when you use Google keyword on face in your article, you are going to sound little stiff. Some face sound is so unnatural that it can be journeying of a reader of the article. While many internet market don't pay enough attention to this detail, it can affect the amount of reader they return those audience they have to market. Especially if the following a format right keyword article, the final result can be grading to the inner EA. So, what is the person to do if they want to use good SEO tactic, including their keyword phase around 2% of the time with the showing up at last twist in this first graphic paragraph. What is the top of your formal say that keyword phase should show in ending sobered into downgrading down creative and style of your writing when you have such regarding right guideline. Luckily, if you're understanding the Google search engine algorithm, you can still use keyword phrase and make them sound natural even when they are not. You have remember in projection is lowered, Google will ignore stop word like they for any at B and so on. If you end up with keyword phrase that appear to be sound completely unnaturally, try to get it into a more natural structure using punctuation or stop word using punctuation. Let's talk to look at example to understand how to use punctuation with awkward keyword phrase. How about the following realize real estate makes market? If you use this over and over your article, it will observe that you are recording. However, if you want punctuation, you can use with variation sentence that want to sound natural in the West. For example, a live really a real estate market here are booming. Another way to use same keyword phrase could be, why would anyone want to move realize real estate market or affordable unemployment is low. Finally, you can even punctuate near the end of the phase. If you are interested in real real estate market for whom have never been other better. Thus, you can use the keyword phrase and punctuate it the make it sound more natural. However, when Google crawl your article, it will strip the punctuation and it will see the real estate market is the keyword that given weight it might also assign it more weight the algorithm. Using stop word. Using stop word. How about using the same keyword phrase with stop word? Now you can write the follow and it will be equivalently use rallying real estate market as a keyword phrase. Look at rallying for a real estate market that are booming or rallying real estate a market that is booming. It is all same Google, but it makes what different to your leadership promote your site. There is one reason you can't do you one particular if you are doing article director marketing that when you write article put on the other people directory to drive traffic to your site. Many of these sites don't allow you promote your product or site within the article text, but they do give your resource box at the end where you can typically promote yourself. Your website some other link. Just be careful not to send people to sales page if the guidelines say that's not allowed. Many of these article directory site are getting very stringent about allow market to use their site or promote their product. So you will have to add a intermediate page from the resource box back to your sales page. In some case, like a link big your website page which isn't promotional but has link to your promotional. To be sure, read your guideline before you add information to your resource box to see what is allowed. When you promote yourself, don't just say for more information go to my website. Most people reading that blog in the of Tom Shaw marketing page. So instead you need to be little creative. Your resource box you might try to following leads to get people to click into the link in your resource box and capture traffic from the article directory you post within. Before you go, did you know link here? To learn more about topic, go to link here. First, there is an additional secret you should link now. Want to pre-report how topic to do link here. Let me ask question. Do you know instead title article tracking linking web page here? Ask you see. Ask you this is not typically way to grab someone attention that why it is tend to work. Another way to promote your site that can see little of the above example is to give way promotional incentive for clicking into your site of registering to your email list. The free promotional incentive work but best if it's some product like a free report that you can deliver automatically to people to click into your site where our here download button. Just get them your site and deliver the product without you having to engage them manually. So anything that can be easily downloaded for your website work. That can include article, video, music, download and even software. Just to be clear, in the resource box or doing to get a variable of clicking on the link you provide and you will see a reasonable rate show upward. Make it pretty. Final layout is very important. Your article have to be visual, applying from the intellectual of the social applying. You can write the best copy ever good, but if you displayed in one larger chunk with text in formatting or even paragraph spacing in there will be very few people willing to even attempt to read it. The reason for that is that text on your computer can be a strain to read. Unlike the text of page in book, and even in book you will see attempt to make the text visual building with some of guideline be well you had to incorporate guideline to make your web copy to attract to expert in the case what you don't write in more important in some case in that one you write it. We're not talking about adding kind of color on unusual font of make your page pretty. In fact, one color and font is the best way to keep your reader from feeling too strained as they read your next text online. What we are suggesting is that you make article layout easy by adding white space and different formatting to draw in the reader and not overwhelm them. When you think about the way people read online article this day, you know that people naturally skim text and then decided whether to read the entire article or not. They just don't have the time or patience to cite through huge article. Otherwise, they had just buy a book, sit down to have a good read. Online people are looking instant information, and that means that your layout become highly important. It should be visually appealing enough to really highlight your main point so that you write a skim your article they know which section to read, whether to they want to the entire article or not. To conform to those standards, you need to include white space to isolate the highlight in different hiding. Also, you need to use specific formatting to keep the dancing through the page as it skim along the main point. For that, you want to do the following: blow title. Blow the so that it is easily picked up within listing of the article. It draw it the immediately attention of someone who is looking at title only to decide whether to read or not. Capitalize keyword. If you really want to draw attention to specific word in the title, just capitalize all of the word. Just be careful not to overuse this formatting as it can look like you're shooting to the rider. Break up paragraphs. In real word writing, you don't change paragraph until the topic change. In this, not appropriate into online write where the e ending to tie up the reading in the screen modes more easily. instant break of paragraph into short chunks. Some online market will give go as for so instant new paragraph every there is no fine line to take. Or subheading, even if you break up the paragraph that doesn't make it easy to enough of people skipping to know what is the above. So add subheading the quickly give the schema of the snapshots those paragraphs that way they can choose the read it or not. Add bullet and list. Bullets and lists help to break up text and provide quick encapsulation of the relevant point. Always include subheading in the SOM schema can pick the bolt of interest to them. As you can see, you can even combine this element to give more emphasis as then list above. We not only created a bulleted list, but we added subheading and bolded the subheading to give them special emphasis. What come out is list it that is seeking and them evaluated or most important topic to the reader.